So once you are in the layout and you want to animate it, you can go back to this texture and you want to render it. What you have to do is go to the render property tab over here and click on render properties. Click on that. Then you have to go to output and click on animation and click on this. So once you have that, click on the animation. This will be activated over here. So this is the folder you're sending it to. So basically I'm going to send it to say you can send it wherever you want. This is the folder I'm sending it to, and this is the file name. The second one is the file name. So I'm going to give it 3 object animation, and file format you will find that you'll have if you're on Mac you'll find it to be QuickTime. You also have QuickTime movie here, but I'm just going to do AVI if you're on a PC. And encoding I'm going to do is uncompress. So I will check with the Mac how the Mac works. So if you, for example, if I go to QuickTime, and then it will ask you whether you want to what are the options. I don't want stereo, I don't want alpha. You can click on alpha if you want. But alpha is basically a transparent background. So this will be in QuickTime. In Mac it might be totally different. Once you do that, let me go back to AVI and show you how it works. Once you do that, in AVI I'm do full uncompressed. You click off that and then you go to frame scene, render scene instead of render frame. If you click on render frame, it just renders one file which you can save it, and you can send that to me. It will, you can save it as a JPEG. So let me show you how it is done. Once it renders a file, you abort it and then you go to file and then you click on that and go to JPEG right here. And you can go into give it a name, rendered image. So this is an RGB file that you've rendered. But when you go to render scene, it will actually animate and it will do the animation. Just, you know, you can see it rendering every frame to create the animation. So it takes a little while. You have to be a little patient. So I'm going to click off. I don't want to bore you, but I can show you the end result in class.